Let's create a new sheet so our students can draw the design that they are thinking of. So pressing the plus sign on the top left, we will see a new sheet. Step one for me always is to delete the existing table. Double tap on the words sheet 1 to rename, and for this sheet, I will call this design. The emoji that I might use might be a ruler or something to indicate that this is where I am designing and probably writing down a few measurements. So I am not well versed in the paper airplane design build business, but I will do my best to draw a design that I think may work. In order to access the drawing tools, I have tapped on the screen with my Apple Pencil. But remember, if your students or yourself, if you're not working with an Apple Pencil, you can absolutely access these drawing functions, and I will show that to you right now. In order to access drawing without the use of the Apple Pencil, tap on the plus sign, select the media option on the far right, and here you see drawing at the bottom of your options, right above equation. If I tap on drawing, I see all of my drawing tools available to me at the bottom center of the screen. So here I go with drawing my paper airplane, and that actually looks a little bit too thin, so I might decide to change the thickness of my pen by tapping on the pen itself and moving up in thickness. I also might change the color because I think it looks a little nicer if I draw in more of a grayscale, or even a pencil or a crayon. So I'll just show you the different tools here. Here is the pen. If I choose gray again, here is the pencil. And we can make the pencil a little thicker so you can see the difference in texture. And if I select crayon, this is the texture of the crayon. So I think I like the pencil for our purposes, so I will go ahead and design my airplane with the pencil. If your pen starts to skip on the screen like mine just did, that's probably a good indication that it's time to clean your screen, and you may have left some finger oils or residue on your iPad screen. And I don't think that looks too bad. Hopefully you don't either. And I will show some dimensions here. I'm going to say that this is going to be the entire length of a sheet of printer paper, which is approximately 11 inches. And that looks pretty good. I'll hit done. And if I want to lock this drawing so it cannot be edited, I can do that as well in the format option and lock.